So I'm going to demonstrate how we can shoot a laser line to help us measure stairs. So the first option, once I've pressed the power button, is a laser horizontal level line. The line that it's shooting on the wall here is perfectly level. If I were to take a standard builder's level and hold it up next to the line, it should read perfectly level. The height of that line is variable depending on what you set it on, or if you have a tripod. I like to use a tripod because I can crank it up or down to accurately adjust the height. But really, the laser level line is just a benchmark line that you can measure up and down from. It's a known level plane, is really all we're looking for. The second option on the laser is a perfectly plumb vertical line. Plumb being straight up and down. That line option is good if you're trying to plumb up a door, a window, or just want to know top to bottom what is plumb, if a wall is plumb. The third option is a crosshair, which simply combines the vertical line and the horizontal line. So you may be tempted to just measure your stair height from the top of the stair to the floor right below it. There's an inherent problem with that, however, in that if this floor is out of level, when your stair reaches the ending point, we believe our stair is going to land approximately right here, roughly 10 feet away from our wall. So if our floor is out of level in the 10 feet that we've traveled across the length of the stair, when we install our stair, it will be installed out of level as well. We want it to be level, so we're going to measure, using our laser, the drop from the ceiling to our laser line at the point where it attaches to the top, and then we'll measure up from the floor where it's going to land to our laser line, and those two combined distances will give us an accurate total rise. So now we're going to measure from the top, from our top, we'll call that the subfloor, the top subfloor, to our laser line, our benchmark line. And I am reading 49 and 3/8, a little bit big. So 49 and 3/8. We've roughly calculated that this stair will have 13 risers and 12 treads. That's based on a rough height of approximately 96 inches and a total run of 120 inches. So I'm going to roughly measure 10 feet from the start, the top of my stair. So there is my 10-foot mark there. So my stair stringer will land approximately here. This is where I want to take my measurement from the floor up to my laser line. So I'll put my tape end on the ground and I'll measure up. Again, my laser is now reading 46 3/4 strong. So here's an illustration of what we just did. We measured from the top of our framing to our laser line and determined that dimension to be 49 3/8 of an inch. We then measured over the distance that our stringer would travel, approximately 120 inches or 10 feet, and measured from the floor up to our laser line, and that distance was 46 3/4 of an inch. So now we take those two numbers and we add them to get our total rise. 49 3/8 plus 46 3/4 equals 96 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, our approximate height of 96 inches, which we measured at this point, was actually shorter than our total rise by 1/8 of an inch. So assuming all of our finished flooring is the same thickness, we would use 96 1/8 of an inch as our total finished rise.